Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be showing you the installation procedures for our Lightbar bracket kit for the 2014 and up Toyota Tundra. Now, it's no secret that the Toyota Tundra is one capable truck, and we're going to give it the light output to match. Installation should only require basic hand tools. Let's get started. The lower grille is held in with plastic mounting tabs all the way across. To remove it in order to gain access to the mounting points for the light bar, you'll push in, starting with the outside, and slowly work your way towards the center, loosening it as you go. Now, some of these tabs can be stubborn, so you might want to use a flathead screwdriver to help loosen them. Once you've gotten it loosened, you can go ahead and start pushing it from the bottom and pulling up at the same time. Now, you'll just have to finesse it a little bit in order to completely pull it out from the grill. And then it should pull out as one piece. So to mount the brackets for the light bar, we're going to remove 3 bolts from the bumper bracket itself, 3 going up vertically. Now, these bolts will be pretty secure on there, so it might take some work to get them off. Now that we've got the nuts removed from the crash bar bolts, we can go ahead and begin the installation of our light bar brackets. Now, the actual installation procedures for the light bar brackets is the same, whether you have the 30-inch bar or the 42-inch bar. The main difference between the two is going to be your total light output, with the 42 being higher, as well as the 30-inch bar will retain that plastic secondary grill that we removed. With the bolts out of the way, you can go ahead and slide your light bar bracket up into the bumper and set it onto the factory bolts. Now, it's important to note we're not actually securing it quite yet. We're simply mocking the brackets up so that we can attach the light bar. Once we have the light bar attached, we'll secure the brackets. Now, with the 30-inch bar, we're actually going to be using the hardware that's included with the kit. With the 42-inch bar, you're going to be using the separate hardware that's actually included with the light bar itself. Be sure when you're doing this to go ahead and tuck your light bar wiring back behind so that you can run it later on. With your light bar in place, go ahead and make any final adjustments to your aiming or the position of your light bar before tightening it down on the bracket. Once that's done, you can go ahead and go back up under the bumper and secure the brackets using the 3 bolts on each side that we removed earlier. Once you've secured your light bar, ran your wiring, and tested your connection, we will be reinstalling the secondary grill in front of the 30-inch bar. For the 42-inch installation, you will not be using this. We recommend inserting the trim piece top side first above the light bar, then angle it into place as you slide it down in front of the bar and snapping the tabs back securely. With your new light bar installed, you'll enjoy dramatically increased visibility at night, as well as a clean custom appearance thanks to the application-specific brackets. For more information on this product and others, visit DiodeDynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.